Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Microsoft Outlook account. So if you only want to send and receive emails, you don't need to worry guys, you don't need to purchase Microsoft Outlook. With Microsoft Outlook you can sync your personal data with your phone, tablet and other computers provided to you can log into those with your Microsoft account. So if you want to log into Microsoft Outlook account, then all you need to have is a good internet connection on your mobile phone and Microsoft Outlook app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application. But if it is pre-installed and if you have already created the account of Outlook, then now you can easily log into its account. So to learn how to log in, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now to log into Outlook account, first of all tap on Outlook application. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your email, so go ahead and enter your email. After you are done entering your email, tap on continue. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your password, so go ahead and enter the correct password. So if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on forgot password and begin with the procedure. For now, if you are done entering your password, then tap on sign in. So it will ask you to save password to Google, so you can save it or not. So it is asking you to, would you like to add another account? So you can add or even skip it. So I would like to skip it, tapping maybe later. So this is it guys, the Microsoft Outlook account has already been logged in. So this is how we can easily log into Microsoft Outlook account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.